Well, made it through another Christmas. I think I need to bury the hatchet with Frosty. I've been kind of rough on him this year. You know, hit him with a driver, sand wedge. Just need to be nice to the guy. See if we could find him. He wasn't out in the hallway or by the Christmas tree. So let's see what we could find. Wonder where. Oh, hey, he's in the game room. Hey, Frosty, what are you up to? Are you watching Fortnite? Oh, you're watching Jay play with his friends. Cool. Well, hey, brother, we need to have a conversation, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the TV down for just a second. Well, hey, Frosty, first, wanted to offer you a little something. Some Frosty the Snowman gummies just to show you that I care. So I see you're watching Jay play some Fortnite. You a fan of Jay? Yeah, me too. You know, even though all he talks about is Gina Carano and all that stuff, it's kind of funny. But anyway, he's still fun to watch. So always sends out a good message. And every year he always sends out a good Christmas message. I think it's one we should all follow. Christmas is about Jesus, not about everything else around it and family. So I'm here because, like I said, wanted to make you a peace offering. Yeah, I know I may have hit you with the driver, may have hit you with the wedge and another sand wedge. You did break my favorite sandwich though, so I guess you kind of got even. But what do you think? Truce for the rest of the year? Sounds good. Well, till next year, we'll get you ready for your hibernation. And everyone who watched the series, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and may God bless us all.